repeat my thought. Change your thought and you will change your world. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning.
Okay, school. So today we will do yoga. First, start jumping in your position. Slowly. Hold your face slowly, slowly. Don't Now we will do our first yoga. So we will slowly raise our hand. And then we will bend ourselves, but don't bend your knees. And touch your toes. Raise your hand. Hands down. Okay. Once more. Raise your hand. Bend yourself. Touch your toes. Stand. Hands down. Relax. We will do second yoga. Okay? For this, you have to come in a triangle shape with your legs. So open your legs. One hand on your waist. Your right hand. Okay? Right hand. Then left hand up and bend yourself in the right direction. Come back to your original position. Hands down. Another hand. Put your left hand on your waist. Left hand. Right. And bend yourself in left direction. Hands down. Now again with the right side. Okay? So hand on your right waist. Then left hand up. Bend yourself in the right direction. Right. Straighten yourself. Last time with the left side. Okay? Left hand on your waist. Right hand up. And bend in the left direction. Straighten yourself. Hands down. Legs closed. Okay, now we will take our hand like this. Join both your hands and slowly take it upward direction. With this, you have to move your toes. Stand on your toes. And hands up. Okay, hands down. Slowly. Join your hands and slowly take them upwards. Stand on your toes. Down. Now open your legs a little bit, not much, okay? Hand on your waist and move your hips towards the right direction.